My computer, as you'll see, is obedient to me. I tell it what I want, that is my input. The program crunches data and gives me the output.
We should be patient. Our wishes are first. Let us know what you demand.
So what do you want? What can you do?
We need to add the balls from boxes red and blue. The sun goes in the green box. And that over to you.